सॉरी यार, नहीं बात करना मुझे कंगना के बारे में। आई हैव नो इंटरेस्ट इन फीडिंग हर नार्सिसिज्म। इनफैक्ट आई हैव समथिंग वे मोर इम्पोर्टेंट टू टेल यू। हम सबका चूतिया बनाया जा रहा है क्योंकि ड्रग्स, एसएसआर और कंगना के अलावा देर इज़ लिटरली अ लॉट गोइंग ऑन. Witness the past 2 months where Indian TV channels, especially national ones that broadcast in English and Hindi, have developed an obsession for one single piece of news: the death of Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput. हाँ, सैड है. हाँ, अच्छा लड़का था, सबको जानना है कि क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ. लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ वही हो रहा है. अर्नब वह मुझे ड्रग्स दो करके गा रहा है और यहाँ कंगना हर मौके पे देश का सारा अटेंशन अपनी तरफ खींच रही है. द आयरन ग्रिप ऑफ बॉलीवुड फैमिली रन बिजनेसेस, वुमेन एज गोल्ड डिगर्स, बंगालीज एज ब्लैक मैजिक प्रैक्टिशनर्स, रिक्रिएशनल ड्रग यूज़. क्या वेरिएशन, क्या डेप्थ है स्टोरी में, नहीं? द प्रॉब्लम इज़ हमें एज अ नेशन एंटरटेनमेंट नहीं, पैसा, एजुकेशन जैसे बेसिक चीज़ें चाहिए जो अभी थोड़े दिन में हमें मिलने भी नहीं वाली है क्योंकि इकोनॉमी गिर रहा है ना. जस्ट इन केस यू डिडंट नोटिस, फॉर अ कंट्री दिस ह्यूज इट्स फैसिनेटिंग हाउ ऑल ऑफ अस आर फॉलोइंग फॉर दिस. अब देखो, मैंने भी इस पर इनडायरेक्टली वीडियो बना ही दिया है. All this coverage of that particular news means that real issues affecting India are being ignored by powerful sections of media. लोग मर रहे हैं बॉस, हर रोज. We are in the middle of a freaking pandemic. These distractions would be terrible at any given time, but it is particularly glaring now that India is facing conditions that are worst in decades, if not since independence. The fall of economy. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman called the drastic impact of COVID-19 pandemic on the economy as an act of God. However, it should be noted that the Indian economy's sharpest quarterly contraction in the April-June period by a record 23.9% could be considered an act of God, but it was also a part of a larger pattern. ऐसे तो I'll fail my exams and be like, oh no, act of God. But the thing is, if I don't study, I fail. Just like if you don't learn, we all fail as a country. It is absolutely ridiculous कि इन सब के बीच में मंदिर बनाने का फुर्सत मिल गया हम लोगों को. मैं भी हिंदू हूँ, don't attack me now. Remember when demonetization happened and the bucks were like, देश के बॉर्डर में सोल्जर खड़े हैं, तुम देश के लिए एटीएम की लाइन में नहीं खड़े हो सकते? हाँ, याद है तुम्हें वो दिमाग चौंका देने वाला लॉजिक? इस चीज़ के लिए भी जहाँ पे हमारा इकोनॉमी गिरा है, they have absurd explanations for this fall of GDP also. Ever since the numbers were out, a war of words has been raging on Twitter and other forms of social media, which is abuzz with the hashtag GDP truth. One camp said that India did better than peers, including US, in June quarter, while others claim that this is all rubbish. Spoiler alert, है rubbish. क्योंकि सेम है, बहाने बना रहे बस. It is being claimed that what is happening in India is an act of God that has afflicted all countries the same. In reality, India has the worst performance among major economies. This is because the policy response of the Modi government was faulty. The lockdown was imposed suddenly without warning or preparation, was not utilized to address the health issues, and then no social protection was given to those left without livelihoods, which would have at least preserved some demand. The official data confirms that the Indian economy is heading towards a free fall. Earlier reports, notably by CMIE, revealed massive job losses. 122 million jobs lost since April. 1 out of every 10 workers are unemployed. The tsunami of job losses could throw nearly 30 to 40% of India's population in dire poverty. Wow, numbers तो कह रहे हैं कि God has nothing to do with this. फिर भी यार मंदिर बनवा लेते हैं, क्या जा रहा है? और क्या हो रहा है? अरे वॉर होने वाला है चाइना के साथ. Chinese intrusion in Ladakh. Monday also brought grim news on the border front. The Indian Army said Chinese soldiers had carried out provocative military movements to change the status quo in eastern Ladakh, but their attempts were thwarted by Indian soldiers. Following heightened tensions at the border and with the current deployment of French Rafales by IAF in Ladakh region, PLAGF Plug Ground Force has deployed their HQ-9 long-range air defense systems along the de facto border between India and China. Chinese army holds a huge inventory of weapons and hardware in most categories except tanks when compared to the Indian army. On the other hand, the Indian Army's combat experience in high altitude battles and the acquisition of advanced arms from Russia and the US make it strong to resist the potential threats from China. लड़ तो लेंगे पर व्हाट अबाउट द इकोनॉमी? मानो ना मानो हमारे पास पैसा नहीं है एंड मोर ओवर चाइना है, पाकिस्तान नहीं. नो ऑफेंस पाकिस्तान, वी लव यू. No, I love you. I don't know about the rest of them. Then we also have issues like China is much more powerful overall. This imbalance may not yet be significant at the LAC, where the forces are at least matched. Second, India's relative weakness has an advantage. Anything other than unambiguous victory will be perceived as a loss for China. Finally, avoiding war may prove to be expensive in the long term if it signals resoluteness. China will be emboldened. Left just like that, there is a good chance that it will push into India again. और just in case सब भूल गए, we are still in the middle of a pandemic. Deaths due to the coronavirus COVID-19 are set to cross 1 million on Sunday afternoon, and the World Health Organization warned that another million could die before the pandemic is brought under control. A reminder of the unprecedented human toll exacted by the crisis that has shown little signs of relenting. In India, the total number of infections crossed 5.99 million on Saturday after 88,951 new infections were recorded in the past 24 hours. The country at present has 957,414 active cases and the number of deaths is 94,539. दिस इज़ एज ऑफ सेप्टेम्बर 27th. ओके, बाकी आज का खुद देख लो, कम से कम सर्च हिस्ट्री में कुछ तो प्रोडक्टिव रहेगा. India has had the worst COVID-19 outbreak in the world since the first week of August, accounting for more than a quarter of all recorded since then. In the past week, nearly 1 in every 3 new infections reported in the world and 1 in every 5 deaths have come from India. But in what has been a silver lining, there has been a recent drop in daily infections. The 7-day average of daily cases has dropped for 10 consecutive days leading to Saturday, something that has never happened since the outbreak started in India in March. फिर भी there is always a chance of second wave, and if 2020 has taught us anything, it is to expect the unexpected. और फिर आते हैं ना अपने फार्मर्स बिल पे. खाना खाते हो तो ये भी सुनो कि उगाने वालों की क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है. 3 farmers bills which have been passed by the Indian Parliament are expected to create a major impact on the Indian agriculture and agro trade. Agriculture sector employs a large part of Indian population. When farm bills passed, Prime Minister Narendra Modi called the passage of bills as watershed moment. But on Friday, farmers in India blocked roads and railway tracks in protest against the new legislation that they say could pave way for the government to stop buying grain at the guaranteed prices, leaving them at the mercy of private buyers. As per the new bills, farmers will now be free to sell their produce even to private buyers, including big companies. Farm bills passed in the Indian Parliament give the farmers freedom to sell their crop anywhere in India. Some farmer groups, however, are up against the new provisions. The protests are especially strong in Punjab. The farmers there do not want a change in well-oiled machinery that is functional. Another point critics of the farm bills passed by the parliament are raising is that of the minimum support price MSP. Farmers and critics fear that eliminating monopoly of APMCs will soon pave way for abolishing MSP. किसान वहाँ कोविड के टाइम पे गैदर होके प्रोटेस्ट्स कर रहे हैं और किसी को पड़ी नहीं है, और जिनको पड़ी है आपके जैसे 2 सेकंड के लिए भी, उनको इमीडिएटली एनसीबी के नेक्स्ट ड्रग अपडेट की ओर खींचा जा रहा है। वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज़। बच्चे स्कूल नहीं जा रहे, लोग कॉलेज नहीं जा रहे, नोबडी इज़ exactly understanding what's happening with the education system of this country, and there are literally like लिस्ट लिखने बैठूँ तो 2 दिन लगेगा, इतने सारे प्रॉब्लम्स है। लेकिन फिर भी all I see people caring about is whether Sushant Singh Rajput's mental health issues were known by the family, or figuring out whether Riya Chakrabarti smokes weed or not, या फिर is dying to know कि कौन होने वाला है अगला एक्टर या एक्ट्रेस who is going to be called by NCB। हमको खुद के बारे में परवाह करना चाहिए, ओके। इकनॉमी अपना ले डूबा, और क्या करेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग, दिस हैज़ बिन द नो नॉनसेंस। अगर किसी को भी बुरा लगा इस वीडियो से तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती, बिकॉज दिस इज़ द ट्रूथ। क्या करें, होता है, शिट हैपेंस।